Hi, I'm the Duke of Speed. Welcome to the channel. It's day 24, and I'm going to put the wheels back on this on the back, and I'm going to drag it out front, kind of pressure wash the frame and stuff. Found a dead cat in my garage. People, take care of your cats. Don't let them wander in my garage because I don't get out here every day. It's been 5 days since I've opened my garage door. I come inside and I find a dead cat. Take care of your cats, people. Okay, the bird's nest. The Pontiac Z28. We're getting down. We're clowning around. You'll see. Come on. Let's go. So I took this pad off of the jack and I bolted it to there. Let's see if I can drag this guy around like that. That's going to be interesting.